Hello guys, I am Manish Tokle. Today's video topic is SQL queries. So we can see SQL queries. SQL is a database language designed for the retrieval and management of the data in a relational database. So we see use SQL. Why use SQL? It helps user to access data in a RDBMS system. It helps you to describe the data. It allows you to define the data in the database and manipulate that specific data with the help of SQL commands in DBMS. You can create and drop database and tables. SQL offers you to use the functions in database, create a view and stored procedure. You can set permission on tables, procedure and views. Types of SQL: data definition SQL DDL. Then next one is a data manipulation language DML. Then data control language DCL. Then transaction control uh, transaction control language TCL. Then data query language DQL. Then we see what is DDL. Data definition language helps you to define the database structure or schema. Let's learn about DDL commands with syntax. Five types of DDL commands in SQL. So we can see create. First one is create statement is used to define the database structure schema. Then we see syntax of create table underscore name, column name, data types. Then we see drop commands remove table and database from RDBMS. Then we see syntax of drop table. Then we see alter commands allows you to alter the structure of the database. Then we see syntax of alter. Then to add a new column in the table, alter table underscore name, add column name, then column definition. Then we see truncate. uh, these commands used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space containing the table. Then we see syntax truncate table underscore name. Then what is data manipulation language? Then we see data manipulation language DML allows you to modify the database instance by inheriting, then modifying and deleting its data. It is a relational responsible for the performing all types of the data modification in a database. There are three basic constructs which allows database program and user to enter data and information on. Then we see how here are some important DML commands in SQL. So first one is insert, then second one is update, then third one is delete, and last one is insert. So then this is a statement is SQL queries. This commands is used to insert data into the row of a table. Then we can see update. This command is used to update or modify the values of a column in the table. Then we see syntax of modify. Update table underscore name, then set column name equal to value 1 column 1 and name n is equal to value n. Then we see delete. The command is used to remove one or more rows from table. Then we see what is DCL. DCL means data control language, includes commands like grant and revoke, which are useful to give rights and permission other permissions control parameters of the data system. It's all about the SQL queries. So thank you.